this a man yes momra PTA no be atua eye 5 Ghana cedi po one tibida aden na Ghana for me dum no etimi eye abonya yesem saa Nanado bonyo be ni se o ma o ba ne daachi nanado danko Akufo Addo bonyo ye ni se wan fasika na amani papa ko anhye ni boto ne nwom no o cheye e ma ni su obi aso nanado danko Akufo Addo e ka che Ghana for say education is going to be a national cake inti obia de sekan e be ka bia di Ghana for say ye mpesa ebi mutimi gina hono mo e ka che na nado danko Akufo Addo say enya wo na wo behwe ye mama ye
Abusian, so there is a very troubling issue where cause of MPP mu Eastern region na sempenifu at that party na no an form na ensi ho an hwe ama yi anto yi a ye be hu ase entokwa kese esi party nim ama nipa bi afemu awuwu anase ye prepare nkrofo bi now you see there 3 days ni aye wo call Upper West Akem adeso akotia New Jabin South constituency aye Koforidua and some of the constituencies were Eastern region and to quite a sibo enya asem ketwa and apparently Honorable Bryan champon the campaign war Eastern region war na or de entro any propaganda nintiti and the campaign or incite grassroots no against constituency executives na MPs 59 Omu declare omo support ma Dr. Baomia and then Oma respond the Oma issue official press statement addressing the kind of evil and divisive campaigner Honorable Bryan Champon wo Eastern region na me no wo ba be che ni edi kan mo be kai Dr. Baomia eko Eastern region koye ne campaign first day no yenya 15 MPs out of the 23 MPs wo Eastern region press conference they declare on support Emma Dr. Baomia na saa asem ni si ye no Honorable Bryan Champon obohu ne yamu hihye no ni say Eastern region ne home region ontimi wini enti ne oye ne say o share ne campaign ase wo Eastern region o de ntro ene propaganda ane hye na entro e di kan a odi ye anase na wo di kire delegates ene say MPs na wo ye press conference no omo ye wie na omo frɛ no e ka tere ne say ye politics keke na no omo ye na they don't mean it omo support Baomia but omo support onu mom na afei omo ka sa tere ne wie no say ne text message Emma Dr. Baomia say profo no omo ye press conference ma ono they don't support you they support me rather na 15 MPs omo press statement omo issue ye omo call Honorable Bryan Champon out akate ne plain say omo mu bia ni wo ofre no and omo dey ne say omo nipa ko a ofre no e kan sa asem no e kire no afen so omo dey ne say text message ko a so on Dr. Baomia exchange ye about MPs so omo frɛ no on publish na ewiase nyina hu ye nyina ye nim say enye no kra Honorable Bryan Champon entro no try now entro a etoso mienu a Honorable Bryan Champon na ma o twa edi oye ne aba Eastern region MPP mu ene say onam no or catch delegates especially polling station executives and electoral area coordinators say 2024 no ono ade ne bottom sika ema constituency executives so mo nchema polling station for no na okasa asem we a no wase aka atai so say odi sika na ma constituency for no o ma anfa sika no ama polling station for no enti polling station for no ema omubunfu constituency executives no na saade we last 3 days adeso chairman na minim no minim ne personally obi a wabo bra ne nsem wo bia wo adwapade wo ne businesses emrantie bia wo constituency wo nka omo do monsa keka no constituency executives a omo invest o musika wo party ni mo omo musika na omo de hwe party for wo Eastern region ho a omo no there is no way omo be pocket sika ye de aba hesi enfanya party adwuma wo twa santro we eto omo so ema polling station fo ne kakra omo mbuade na omo adwiri mu ha sen komo do mo sabe keka constituency executives no mo de mo pa mo ncheke Kufuridua New Jabin South Adeso Upper West Akim Akotia constituent mo ncheke na mo hwe what happened last 3 days Bryan champion share the campaign ase na sa issue we MPs no 15 MPs na responding and apparently sika honorable Bryan champion distribute to constituencies no enye ne bottom sika party ni sika from Dr. Baumia any businessmen na wo donate sika ema party no for 2024 elections campaign ana honorable Bryan champion party ni yi ni say wo na wo Eastern region ti the anim ne distribute sika no efama the various constituencies and then one nam e dey born ho safo hene e twa ntro say ono na sika ne ye ne de ne botom sika na wode ma eye constituencies no e say omo farmer polling station for no and oman farmer meanwhile that was not the case sika na ye de ma na say on distribute no distribute ye no constituencies no omo de ye adwuma na ye de ma omo say omo fa nya ya fa ma omo say omo fa and omo nchiska no ema polling station executives no omo ndi. Now you see we a party ni now person will be the party anim now the same way we sow seed of discord, seed of division our party nim oka same way egu a party for any more as penny for a big party any more constituency ugu o many more as all my lion we incite here from for against them man osha ebeboa osha adewe adepa. Is that how I be a patriot or person di party then behaving? MPP delegates are more gunning na muntie ni such a person cannot lead the MPP. And some of two are betiano. And you see, we're going to win him because a lot of people respected him on so I say so I can.
Kasi beti mi ahwe yen ma nana de yenye nti yenu mo mayen. Nana do danko Akufo Addo etrase de nse suna no ebisa twedi amponyankopon se ewrade inti ede na eye wo manfo ewrade ede na ekoso wo manfo trimu ewrade ade a wo de don me se me mfamra wo manfo no papa ena wo manfo eyi mi boni ayo na papa nti na so ti baby a na ne mahye no na ne raho Nana do danko Akufo Addo de ohun ne se enkwala omo ko secondary school ni de sebe omo nyae ne nana no mo inti se ontimi hwe ema ne nana bi entina fie no ense se ohwe ema won so wo ba ema won so maame ema won nana bi entina fie o inti nana do bomi oyi nyina no yes we nya hwe ama wa asia memmo no kro no NDC for be now at the year to free education 419 free education 419 and so NDC for we e to almost say omo the free education by na eno no ye nya Ghana for timamufo bi asa akwakoji asa asem no atomu forgetting say NDC for kro we ya e sorry tia free education Yenya John Dramani Mahama ebe kache mi no mienu Ghana ni se owo 2 million Ghana cedis enya de so be invest in education some say John Dramani Mahama ne ba Farida wenya onye beneficiary of free education na musa mo ho John Dramani Mahama ne ba Farida ya wono kama na president Akufo wo ho Nana do danko Akufo Addo by or some benya free education koe. The person who is depriving your ward from getting access to free education is a beneficiary of a free education. Nipa na ene or say free education ense se obani nya no ono ankasa or benefit free education. So what are you talking about, Ghanaians? Why are we doing this to ourselves? Inti yepe omane nkanko anase tem bia no se omane tisan na chi a na Ghana fo no bi no eye de ye ni so se be maye no ati asan na chi anase ye kanko ye nim Kwame Nkrumah bae no or can send me to us say Ghana we move forward ever we don't go back forward ever backwards never Me school I'm call Ghana secondary school Ghana say Akufo Addo. Ye anthem no also then posterity is watching us to see if we have something good to offer. So what do? We make sure we do our best. We make sure we do our best. Inti Ghana ni o best na obeti na enti ani ana. Inti muna na moye beneficiary of free education no. Inti mo intimi enya asida bia amfa ma na da kwa Akufo Addo. Instead, someone be educating your parents, you educate your community about the free education, how it benefited you. Know, you kids were rather on the street shouting John Dramani Mahama, shouting NDC, shouting John Dramani Mahama, shouting NDC. No. If this person is taking that precious thing away from you are outside on the street shouting on top of your voice. Who are you shouting for? What are you shouting for? That thing that you brushed away is not coming back to you. But we are bringing you hope again. Ghanaians, we are bringing you hope again. Yes, I need that's what bremo, and need that's one, and you need papa pesa papa that way. Onu na nyankopon edi adiesu nkwadua say wo Ghana ni timamuni na wo breno wo Ghana ni timamuni na wo si wunya adwuma nye no nyankopon di bibia dua papa we mu se onya den omra na omma wo Ghana ni hu se echechechecheche se den a enkechire nyani daso ni mu nyani daso papa we mu Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Now I hope say if we are to bring the new patriotic party into power again, we are not going to make that silly mistake to sack them away from governance. We are not going to make that kind of mistake again. This man is telling you, say, everything that you dream about that will give a positive result to your life, you know. It's not too late. Oh, Stephanie, I mean, shout it. That's it. Oh, dear, you never let me down. God bless you. God bless you. The new patriotic party, a party bia oba akola o share funumu kra no e benefit energy. God bless you, my brother. Akola o share funumu kra no say new patriotic party e ba power kra na akoda o share funumu kra e benefit o benefit ene mo hwe your hospitals in semesi wo hono. A whole CEO in charge of Kolebu Teaching Hospital was being called to come to the committee to answer some questions that all answer no cry na no from because on him say agenda oba bekani nya yentro. He was being asked, say, people who were being placed on the dialysis machine, you know, is it now that it's starting or it was there before? I feel you have to papa. So these people are trying to brush out. They are trying to wash away every good thing Nana Akufo Addo and Dr. Mahmood Bawumia was putting and NASA was empowering the nation to have. And then Obiaba. Or national health insurance now, or no buy also buy one-time premium now went million, and then also we're modernizing editing for fraud so I am a Mahama care. A friend of Mahama care. Making Ghanaians think is say your nuni bottom scan on the Mahama care no. won't say they've seen say their followers do not read, their followers do not do any research. Inti se ka se Edin Mahama ke no ye dia to bibi so dia meaning say John Dramani Mahama no ina John no ani bottom ska ina sponsor sa dia into one se be ka sa Mahama ke na God bless Mahama ina God bless John Mahama ina Mahama osia yo ina Mahama. Instead say onu NDC supporter ebe kwa ko hwehwe mu say Mahama ke no kra no package ni ye de no package wo Mahama ke mu kra ye de no abotuli wa ono betena ono mu e defend na okọ na so okobobo na oti kokonu akra na first aid kra no onim kwan fa so ma first aid so obetena kira ayi dede obetena kire ayi dede na do danko Akufo Addo any Dr. Mamudu Bawumia bae no ombehu say ye taxis any motorbikes anyways no kuma manfo in the name of ye Rashini Panako Hospital. Inti na do danko Akufo Addo any Dr. Mamudu Bawumia etena se edwene hu say omanya ye wo mu no we have a population getting close to 35 million. Your ambulance 50 per. Inti pape na do danko Akufo Addo aden yema every constituency enyane onwane ambulance. Ambulance nko abaye no hwe adwuma be kritiye. Inti nkanu no ewie no nanka agenda 111 nso abeka ho se ye be ya akosua manu se ye fa wo free eye fanchire bra ye fa wo ntwam nko winiba se wo kwakwaja yaresa wo Nemom no o district hospital no district ambulance ne fawa sa hospital no na de wo ko akosua manu anwene saade no akosua manu anwene saade no adron kwantabisa wanwene ho ahu se adia na do danko Akufo Addo ene Dr. Mamudu Bawumia dibe odi ba ebi amantemu anuwo mu no nurse ni bi wo honom on free krowe mu enka se okokro kese bi mu akwakopa adwuma yo na mmom no ninim dia na wakwakosuo wo school mu no odi tra haya e dia bo no an community odi tra kromo no e dia bo no an community Ghana ni na ndwene wo sawo Ghana ni sole ai na mole boaye den beans boaye den Ghana ni sole anopa ade odwene ho aye aduane forgetting say aduane na okwa akodi no nsuo na sebe okwa akonu no kra no e bia na poison wom na so no na se bibi tochima e wo ni widie ma e wo said no kwa yare sabia Ghana need to sue aduane over development. Ghana need to sue aduane over chese mi hu dia men kanche Ghana ni. Mi hu dia men kanche Ghana ni. Sometimes if you listen to some of what Ghanaians say, what one ma also my yam show. Also my yam show. Kwasi broni aba o man Ghana mu ye ni broni betena se abusa na ekwan e be fa so aye ni Ghana ni e be kwan o be fa so ya bokro no afiri kwasi broni no ho o be kwan o be fa so ya bokro no aden ye ho sa Ghana ni mebunu sori a eni yenye adwuma nye eni yenye adwuma nye eni yenye adwuma nye Stephanie, God bless you. And so be adwuma na se wo fa Ghana ni se on ma me ye adwuma ma wa o pewu adwuma ni wura ansa no wayi ni yema ye adwuma no and so be wie akwa tra ba bi uyi na dia Ghana nkwan ye wo den janto ahene nye wo dwanto ahene ye yi na di na no akofre dwanto ahene no waduro no instead se panimu na wo community no e be akola na trans atunu fo aka chen se ade aso asinti na ama wutifie na so wanya bi ye de a ma wani nko wadwuma ho ma wani nko wadwuma ho Ghana ni yentu no fo saa na mmom no ye be sori adi nachi akwa achewo ye be sori adi nachi akwa achewo what be adwuma afa Ghana ni mabunu se onna me ye adwuma on report wadwuma mu 8 o'clock no abo 8 afa na Ghana ni mabunu no wasori afiri kete so obi a ode so bona kwakobo omampani bia ono no tifia nipa 35 million ni nyina no adwendwen no edan so no opese oto omu de ni nyina gu na odwen ono nipa ba akopɛ no ho da bobo da ma na se anu subiri yen me kasa che Ghana ni mabunu yen se nipa Ghana ni dwene se nipa dwene adwene nyankopɔn de ama wo no unfu timi de ye bibi ma wo ho dwene se nipa emiema politicians in toya adwene because at the end of the day no or the year on ne ma hu yie na na do Akufo Addo bae no ono de na ne ma nyina nyinyi o na ne ma nyina nyinyi wa bobra na ma ne madada o enya afi no ba bobra na ma ama ne babia o wa bobra na ma ne ma ne dada na esanse Ghana ni ensuade Ghana ni enye research ntino ade kitwa bia na afa Ghana ni no mu na okeka infin masem echepani mu yeti o man Ghana mu enkwala bi enya insuo num enkwala bi nya aduane papa ni ensu yati say yati $300,000 and the amount the first lady of the country said on found UN she enimguasi okokogu ye honum. So what was the essence of spending that kind of money on that woman? What was the essence of spending that kind of money on that woman? Okono she delegation or the dinechi. And then another Akufo Addo, sa United Nations General Assembly kuro omko inanu ye. Na another Akufo Addo at the delegation 24 in a dinner chikoye. And this is 4 months podium at your home press conference. E catch a gun and he said, na another Akufo Addo at the Sankofu Bebre said dinner chako in the name of the taxpayers' money. So they are misusing the Ghana taxpayers' money. Nani a John Dramani Mahama Elkoni die. Or the nipa say 134. But feli so fosu kwache e be ka che say enkrofo na odi omuko no the nipa 10 penelko. Obe kama Ghana 40 ase say enya dom di CEO bia bebi achiri. Ewi achiri no Sami Jenfi mu nyina wo ho no mu bi. Na me busa say Sami Jenfi na de no koye wo ho. Ebe wi eche no Joyce Bawam tari mu nyina wo on movie e de no mkoye wo ho ebe wi eche no Western region NDC constituency hwa omu nyina wo ho movie e de no mkoye wo ho because anamu nyina e wo ho bi e de no mkoye wo ho eden no mkoye o wo Ghana ni wo busa ho se sen na obi age ni aspediem sen na obi age aspediem na asemba kokra esen twama wo no wo kwakwode wo nyambranzem ema America for impose restrictions on the Ghanaian person no. Oma left band now. You are there wanting us to clap for you. Something that was already there that you came to ruin, and we've gotten it back. You want us to clap for you. I'm sorry, but when this is for now, some of us we read, some of us we learn, some of us we make our research. So things like this, we are not going to fall for it. We are not going to fall for it because we know where it's coming from. Yes, NDC regional chairman, they are all there. They are all in New York City. They are all there. Who Ghana ni mebunu? Who told me say we need adwuma? They didn't nip ashen insano. They didn't nip ashen insano. Erika J is in America enjoying life. He's in America enjoying life. Oko no ba na malik basintale nso behu oko Switzerland ubehu raskotoka onusuko ha rahwahwai onusuko say just akwantu basa NDC ba power within 9 months. Professor Jampo ana oye demonstration chin were 2 kwan baku 8 all in the name of the taxpayers' money. Or consum fashion bow or common fashion ba. Now the whole president etimi Singapore. One fa the papa biama obedria or see a month some man ye meshan airport because Singapore for the media to plant so. Are we foolish? Is it where our thinking has gotten to? Ya jina ye jino inti baby adrunya na ajina nyankopon de domie no inti sen ye use amanaka. No, yenya the government spokesperson ababe ye home press conference. Abaye home press conference. Ya mo nsema president because ye need to plant so inti planting ni obekwa kotama ba be Ghana. Some leaders are traveling, bringing positive impact into the country. Nanado danko Akufo Addo etu kwano yenshe investment okofa ba mining. This man was able to negotiate with Sanotrack. Emo be de ebe si omo plant to mining. Nanado danko Akufo Addo etu kwano otimi ko negotiate ye ema sese no se obi plane ekra timi se o baby a o my Ghana mu no ye wo engineers so no they can repair your airplane for you. They can repair your airplane for you. That is a good government for you. That is the government we're talking about. Nanado danko Akufo Addo's government. If we say that someone foresees the future, it's Nanado danko Akufo Addo and the New Patriotic Party. I'm telling you. Yekase obi hu dachia the New Patriotic Party because when they are in power, no, they make sure that everything that they introduce into the country, will not have an immediate impact on the country, but rather, they prepare that thing towards the future. They prepare that thing towards the future. And then I no mine corner. And then no mine corner. And can come here and small skill mining. Can be you too good. You're too away no. Near San Cataso. Send you be back. Oh me who say you too a former good year one. And go collab or pitting. And the yen swing I say. And the yen say. And Sassia near the dia and no buy in your bidding. And then in our essay. And then in our essay. And the contumely crown, contum ranka, and cantitibino, Nayana nanum etigi, no munya modeno. And the son you money na yesen, and then open walk on off and bound, yes, gone too soon, and open walk on off and bound, yes, what a shock, and then a colaqua was what, and tin so besamba fee. And your man munitium, either so beba, a man baneu, and an a banner beba, a more no mamino, and I say so mum beba, back baby them. Ehini ekoso man into who bibisa inti Ghana into yamon show who bibisa inti Ghana into o kwakoda eya obon pan se inti nyankopon oma de nchi wana